people, and welcome to Bomb Kids TV. So today's video, I'm bringing you guys another braided wig. I have not done one of these in such a long time, and I was kind of in the mood for a 613, so I brought you guys a 613 braided wig. We're gonna jump straight into it. So today's wig is brought to you by Fabelle hair. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. This is my first time getting one of their wigs. I ordered it online. It came here in absolutely no time, and yeah, this was super easy. At first I was a little worried, I'm not gonna lie, because I've never done a blonde like root end wig, and y'all know how it is when you're trying a new style. Like at first it's a little scary, but now that it's sat in a little bit, I'm kind of feeling it. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it out today because I'm by myself and my anxiety is a little high and I don't have time for people to be staring at me. I feel like this is one of those attention grabbers. Like if you want some attention, wear this. I would rate this wig like a 8 out of 10, only because the size of the wig was like too big but too small. It was kind of weird. Like the lace part was too small, but then the actual wig part was too big, so I ended up cutting into one of the braids on this side. You cannot see it because I'm wearing it down, so it was easy to camouflage, but that was my only like flaw about it, honestly. Other than that, this wig is super cute. Another thing I wish they could fix is the back of the wigs. The back of braided wigs are always just a little weird. I will say this wig is super flat compared to some of the other braided wigs I've usually had, but the back of it, I wish they could just master the back of it in a true 360 lace, because these wigs I feel like are best if you wear them down. Another thing I do love about it is the fact that it came with combs on the inside, so this is not glued down. I sprayed a little bit right here to lay that part down, but it's not even sprayed down, it's just on my head, and I really fuck with that. The combs will give you like the extra security. But enough about this, I'm already telling y'all everything. Like, let's get into the wig. Hey you guys, so let's get straight into the unit. Fresh out the box, this is what she's giving. I feel like it was true to length. I'll have all the specs in the description box below. The parting was good. The baby hairs came pre-cut and pre-sectioned out. The only thing was, I felt like, as you guys can see, I needed to color the inside of the lace. But the combs were there for extra security. Everything was everything. So I was kind of excited when I seen how long it was, because y'all know I like them a little long sometimes. So we're going in with our lace tint per usual. Y'all already know the drill. Now this is kind of where I effed up a little bit, because as y'all can see, my spray was spotty. Next time I would invert the wig on a wig cap and spray it from like 6 feet away type shit, because I really did spray aggressively. But she still came out pretty cute. So I ain't gonna lie, if you can look right here, I was kind of freaking out. I'm like, oh my god. But we straightened her out, got her together, okay? So now we're cutting the lace, and this is where I was explaining, like, the lace part fits, but the wig part is too big. So I kind of dipped into that braid on that side. But like I said, when you wear these wigs down, you cannot really tell anyway. So it really didn't matter that much, but it was something for me to be mindful of when cutting the edge of the wig. So I tied her up in a ponytail just to get her out the way while I situate the front. So I kind of knew off the rip I did not want to glue this down, because like I said, I was running errands this day. My man was not with me. My anxiety sometimes is high when I'm by myself, and I just wasn't in the mood for everybody to be staring. I really wasn't. So I did not glue this down. We did a little spray up top, took my edge brush, brushed it down, and honey, that was literally it. It did not come with the edge band, so I had to use the edge band from another wig that I had. I didn't want to show that brand in this video, so that's why you didn't see that step. I did tie that down for like 3 minutes. But this is how she turned out. Super duper cute. Like I said, the back does not allow you to wear it up. That was my only con, but I feel like that's how the braided wigs are. You can't really wear them up. But other than that, this is super cute. I will have their information in the description box below so you guys can shop for yourselves. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up before you click away, and I'll see y'all in the next video.